Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to level up on Hala app live stream. Right, so all you need to do is first thing you have to make sure you have enough coins. Yes, you need to have enough coins or points in order to level up. So all you need to do first of all is click on me below your screen and it's going to bring you to a profile. So the next thing you're going to click on, you have to click on level. Right, you can see level right there. Click on level and you wait for it to load up. Make sure you have a very good internet connection. Right, so you can see this is level 1 to 9 to 9. So you need about, you can see it right here, you can read this for yourself. Need to send 3,000 coins for the upgrade. So if you want to upgrade to level 2, you need about 3,000 coins in order to upgrade. That's how you can upgrade on Hala app. You can level up on Hala app. So it works the same for charm levels as well. So this is how to actually level up. You have to get up to 3,000 coins in order to level up to level 2. Yeah, if this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.